Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first post on Facebook. And as you can see, I'm on my computer here. Now, to make a post on Facebook, you want to ensure that you log into your Facebook account, and right at the top, it's going to show you a little section where it says, what's on your mind, right? And it normally calls you by your first name, so it will say Drew right there. Now, go ahead and click in that section, and it's going to open up a little window. And from here, you may get a first initial pop-up that asks you to go through a few steps, including the option to choose who you want to make the post to. It's going to look something like this for you to choose your audience. So basically, it will give you a few options whether you want to make it public, only to your friends, except a certain friend, specific friends, only me, and you can do some custom. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just simply choose to leave it with friends and click on done. Now you're going to say what's on your mind, and I'm going to say I am happy to join Facebook. Let's say that's it. And let's say you want to attach image or video or whatever it is, you can. So you want to look down here where you see it says add to your post. You can add images, you can tag people, you can put some feeling or activity, check-ins, GIFs, and you can even add more stuff, as you can see right here, live update and all those different stuff. Now for the purpose here, I'm going to just simply choose to just add a picture. Let's say I want to add a picture here. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I'm going to just choose basically the same picture that I uploaded, right? But just a different style, this one without the background. I'm gonna click on that, and let's say this is what I want to post. And yeah, go ahead and click on post once you're satisfied. And that's it. It's going to make the post for you on your Facebook page. And of course, anyone who's in your friends list, they will be able to see it once you choose that option, right? And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and make your first post on Facebook.